Stylecraft Rebel unboxing coming at you now. We're unboxing the Stylecraft Rebel shaver. Guys, for their low price of under $100, they look and feel premium. So it isn't a metal housing, but it is a plastic, but it's like a premium plastic, so it's lightweight. I'd say probably the only thing that I do feel a little bit weird about is the button, like the turn on and off switch button. So sometimes it could be a little bit difficult to turn it on. So the button is a little bit hard. You need to put a little bit of elbow grease into it. But honestly guys, I like them, I really do. I'd recommend them. I've already been using them probably like about a month. They're really good, lightweight, real strong guys, real strong. They're still sharp, like still really good. So and then charge, amazing. So guys, Giovanni Brennan is here saying that these are good, they're good to go. So it is an unboxing video, so I did unbox them when I got them, but a month later I'm still using them. They're on my deck of cards of tools, and they're amazing. Stylecraft, you did it. So I love them guys. So don't forget to drop a comment on this video, like it if you did. But until next time guys, I'm Giovanni Brennan and I'm out of here.